In this video, I'm going to show you how to use OBS, which is a software that I've been using to record my videos. Once you download it, it'll look like this. You'll fire it up. This was already open, and you'll get to this screen. And I guess it looks kind of complicated, but there's only really two important things that you need to know. You got to know your scenes and your sources. The scenes are the different things your students are going to see, so the different things that are going to be on your screen. So that's your PowerPoint. You can project your iPad. You can pull up a Word document or a worksheet or a website, anything like that. So those are your scenes, and then your sources. Those are what audio or visual is going to be drawing from those scenes. And then there's a start streaming if you're trying to go live, or what we're trying to do is just start recording. That will end up recording your video, right? So the first thing, I'm going to remove that. That's old. The first thing you're going to do is I'm going to add a scene. All right, what do I want my first scene to be? Well, let's add a window capture. Window capture allows you to project any open window that is on your desktop. So I'm going to add this, name it whatever you want. When you go to window, for whatever reason, I have to click show window with empty names. That might be different for you. And so let's see, I have a ton of windows open, which is kind of why I like doing this, because the students only see certain windows. So I'm not going to show blue jeans. I'm going to show my PowerPoint, right? And there my PowerPoint will appear, and I'll click OK. And I can actually change the amount that my students see of this PowerPoint. And I have to actually change this window and make my PowerPoint a little bit bigger so that it fills up the entire screen. There we go. And now my PowerPoint can fill up the entire screen. My next step, right, is if I want to add my face or my voice to this, I'd add another source and do a video capture device. And then from there, you find your device, your HD camera, maybe your iPad. Oh, wow, then there's my face, and my face is a little too big. So I reduce it. This blue screen that you're seeing, right, you can drag this around just like any other image, right? You can see where your face will start to disappear, and that way you can get the exact whatever picture that you need or picture that you want. And so that's my first scene, and I'm going to add a second scene. On my second scene, I'm going to do, let's see, a worksheet. I'm going to add another window, show window with empty name, and then I'm going to do this worksheet that I have here. And then same thing, maybe change the size around so that fills up the entire screen, right? Or however I manipulate that, that'll change on this screen as well. Okay, so I've set that up. If I want to add my face again, I add video capture device, same thing. Whoops. Video capture device. Let me delete that. I skipped a step. Adding the video capture device. Add existing. There we go. Video capture device. And my face is now back on the screen. Change the size around again. I think my favorite feature with this, I'm going to add one more scene. My favorite feature with this, we'll start with the video capture device. There's my face. But I think my favorite part, personally, because I use my iPad quite a bit, my favorite part about this is adding, let's see if I can remember how to do that, another video capture device. And now, yeah, there we go. My iPad, look at that. My iPad is just connected to connected to my laptop right now. If you want to know how to connect an iPad to a laptop, I'm sure there's a Google video. This is probably the only video I'm going to do today for tutorials. There we go. Oh no, my face disappeared. I guess I have to reorder that. Look at me, learning as we go. Look at that. Okay. Make my face way smaller. And now, so I got a lesson plan here. My pen is dead. Maybe I'll just choose to, move around on my lesson plan. My pen needs to be plugged in. Or do whatever you want to do on the iPad. And then from there, you're ready to get set up. You have your different scenes. Look at that. So then you can just click through, and your students won't see your whole screen. They'll just see these screens that you've already set up. So they'll see your PowerPoint. As you go through your PowerPoint, they will see your face because you added the video capture device. You'll go through the worksheet, or maybe it's the iPad, whatever you're going to be working on. As you do that, OBS will collect this. When you're ready to start, you'll click Start Recording. You start recording. You go to your different scenes. Your video is being recorded. You stop the recording, and then you'll be able to export. You can export to YouTube or go straight to Streams, even though I found Streams to be pretty difficult to use, and I found YouTube to be a lot easier. And you can make those videos private or public, and then once they're on YouTube, they're easy to post to Streams. So that is OBS.